recognize that we owe a debt to all those who have served, who have risked life and limb, who have put their families in a less than ideal position, all so that we can enjoy the blessings of freedom and democracy and power and plenty that we have today.
Joining the military is a huge sacrifice for you, your family, and your friends, but it's for the greater good of everyone in our country.
Since he has experienced combat firsthand, he has some awesome stories to tell. He's the greatest man I have ever met.
Tides rise and fall real slow. I just wanted you to know. The honor to be your daughter, I hold dearly in my heart.